Okay, do you want to watch it one more time? So let's have it one more time! Finest storytellers in India. Come on, everyone, a louder round of applause.
आई थिंक आज प्रभु की भी यही इच्छा थी कि हम लोग पर्सनली यहाँ आ पाएँ, तो हमारी शूट एक दिन पहले ख़त्म हो गई. तो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर हियर. यू वुड हैव सीन इन वीडियो दैट वी वर सेइंग दैट वी वुडंट बी एबल टू मेक इट, बट यस, आई थिंक इट वाज डेस्टिनी फॉर अस टू बी हियर. थैंक यू सो मच.
Namit sir.
I think it is actually a moment of disbelief. मेरे से तो अभी तक माना नहीं जा रहा कि we are actually seeing it and sharing it with all of you. It has been a very, very long dream that we have been collaborating to put our heart, soul, life into this so that we can do justice to this epic. That my only aspiration is with Pride, how do we take our greatest culture, our greatest part of our history and share it with the world. I want all of us Indians to stand there proud, not just celebrating this for ourselves, but also be able to share this at the greatest level when we take it to the world. So thank you all. Your support means the world to all of us. And we are working incredibly hard, and we will leave no stone unturned to make sure that we deliver the very, very best that anybody in the world can try. So thank you.
Namit sir, Nitesh sir, just one or two few quick questions. Yes, anyone would like to ask a question? Okay, yes.
Hello, sir. Myself, Pritesh Tiwari. I just want to ask you that one thing you want that audience should feel about Ramayana when they're watching Wild Ramayana on the big screen.
I'll react not as a director but as an audience, because I am also an avid movie watcher. For me the most important aspect is emotions and the pride. So for me, pride for the great cultural heritage that we have in our country. If we can evoke that, and show to the whole world that this is what we stand for. To me, that would be an achievement. Yeah, that's something which I'm really hoping that we'll be able to achieve.
Thank you so much, sir, for making for us this wonderful movie. Okay.
Thank you. I'm so happy that you liked it.
Thank you so much. I do understand we have a lot of questions, but keeping in mind the time frame. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. And yes, thank you so much, Namit Malhotra, to bringing Ramayana, to bring Ramayana to all of us and to the global cinema. Come on, everyone, let's hear it to Mr. Namit Malhotra and to Mr. Nitesh Tiwari. And yes, thank you so much, media. Thank you so much इस moment का हिस्सा बनने के लिए, and to all our fans, your energy and faith is the heartbeat of this sacred trail. और जी हाँ, अभी तो शुरुआत है, अभी तो पिक्चर पूरी बाकी है. और जी हाँ, before moving forward, there is a small slogan, I mean the small hookup thing we have for you, the hooting up. Yes, I'll say R, you will say his truth. Then I'll say R, you'll say history. Is that fine? I'll say R, you'll say truth. When again I say R, you'll say history. R. 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 हिंदी में हमारा सत्य, हमारा इतिहास. Okay, let's do it one more time. हमारा, 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 हमारा. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, Mr. Malhotra. Thank you so much, Mr. Tiwari. Thank you so much. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for the first glimpse of the Ramayana, the introduction.
अपोजिट है